Presenting the Kia 2018 Stinger GT2. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include 12-way power adjustable driver's seat, 3.3-liter V6 DOHC engine, 365 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, adaptive cruise control, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, all-wheel drive and audio controls on steering wheel. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.